Good morning, kids. Jai Swaminarayan. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Our today's thought is failure is the path of least persistence. Now, this means that continuous जो आप काम नहीं करते हो या continuous if don't you practice, then that is the failure, and this will leads to the failure. You won't grow if you don't work hard. You will only grow, you will work hard and you will practice more. And failure is the path of the least persistence. आप उसमें कभी कामयाब नहीं हो सकते. So this is the only the thought, but I will motivate you with all the hard work and practice. So let's start a beautiful with the beautiful thought of the day. Let's start our day and our new topic. Our today's topic is tenses. Now we have already learned in the last class about the tenses. Last class means in the third standard, right? The main basic tenses are past, present and future, right kids? Now you everybody know that what is past tense? The time or the thing occurred in the past time, अभी से पहले जो हो गया है, that is called the past tense. Present tense जो अभी हो रहा है या जो अभी अभी हुआ है. And future is about to going to happen, जो अब होगा या होने वाला है, that is the future tense. But in this chapter tenses we are going to discuss about two things, that is present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Now what this means? Present continuous tense means जो present अभी हुआ है but it has not ended, it is still in continuing form. जैसे मैं आपको अभी पढ़ा रही हूँ but अभी तक मेरा पढ़ाना खत्म नहीं हुआ है, right? So that is called present continuous tense is always in the form of is, am, is, are plus ing. जैसे कि मैंने कहा I am teaching you, I am teaching you grammar. So I, okay, am, teach is action or verb. So teaching ing plus ing, teaching you a grammar. So this is present continuous tense. And what is past continuous tense? Now this thing has occurred in the past but yet until now it has not ended. जो चीज past में शुरू हो चुकी है but अभी तक वो खत्म नहीं हुई है present तक, that is past continuous tense. Like we have started, और हमने कल जो चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था वो अभी तक हमारा खत्म नहीं हुआ है. या फिर द स्कूल जो सुबह शुरू हुई थी वो अभी आफ्टरनून तक it has not ended. So school is going on from morning 7, सुबह 7 यानी past हो गया वो. past से 7 o'clock से school is still running, अभी तक स्कूल खत्म नहीं हुआ है. यानी स्कूल शुरू सुबह 7 o'clock हो गई थी यानी वो past हो गया, अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ. So that is continuous. जो वर्क शुरू हो गया था पास्ट में, it is still going on, it is still continuing form. So that is past continuous tense. It is always shown with was, were plus ing, right? वो सेंटेंस में कैसे आता है? was, were या फिर ing. was, were के साथ ing हमेशा रहता है because ing is form of continuous. ing आपको हमेशा दिखेगा continuous. The concept of present continuous tense and past continuous tense. In this chapter you have got some sentences which you have to change from present to past. यानी आपको present to past में आपको वो sentence को change करना है. Like जैसे आपको मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, आई एम टीचिंग ग्रामर. सो आपको एम के जगह वॉज लगाना है. आई वॉज टीचिंग ग्रामर. गॉट इट? सो ये प्रेजेंट से पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस सेंटेंस इट गॉट चेंज्ड. डिड यू अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लेट्स गिव इट लुक टुवर्ड्स आवर टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज एंड टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सप्लेनेशन. रिमूव योर ग्रामर टेक्स्ट बुक. Chapter tenses 7. Now let's read it. Read the sentence and say when the action take place. The fish are swimming in water. ये क्या है? The fish are swimming in the water means कि fish अभी पानी में तैर रही हैं. The birds flew high in the sky. Birds sky में ऊपर उड़ती हैं. Tenses are form of a verb that show when an action happened. Tenses. Simple present tense. Simple present tense describes everyday action. Simple present tense क्या होता है? जो everyday action होते हैं ना उनको simple present tense describe करता है. Present continuous tense tells what is happening now. अभी क्या हो रहा है वो बताता है. Simple past tense tells us what has already happened. क्या हो चुका है. The simple future tense tells us about an action that has not yet happened but it is likely to happen. मतलब जो होने वाला है या जो आगे पता है हमें जो होने वाला है. That is the future tense. Now you have to do here, fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb in brackets. Then write the tense of each sentence. One has been done for you. He dashed well last night. यहाँ पे क्या है? Sing. तो he sang. So आपको यहाँ पे उसका फॉर्म भी चेंज करके लिखना है. Then you have to write that which tense is that. So sang is last evening है यानी जो हो चुका है. तो this is simple past tense. I will bring the book tomorrow. Bring का क्या हो जाएगा? I will bring tomorrow मतलब आने वाला है. So simple future tense. Sarina slept well last night. वो अच्छे से last night सोई. So simple past tense. The children walk to school every day. मतलब रोज का है. So simple present tense. Now next is the earth dash around the sun. So revolves. So simple present tense. Then she will return your bag next week. वो अगले हफ्ते आपको अपना बैग रिटर्न करेगी. So simple future tense. Now here it is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used when we talk about things that were happening at a particular time in the past. जो past में हो रहा था वो आपको कहना है that is the past continuous tense. जो past में शुरू हुआ था but it's still continuing. So was या फिर were लगता है. Was कब लगता है? जब it is singular, and when it is plural you have to add were and plus present participle. Present participle is a form of verb that ends in ing. जो भी verb होता है उसको ing add करते, that is a present participle. Now given below are sentence in the present continuous tense. Change this into a past continuous tense. आपको जो sentence दिए हैं वो present continuous में है. I am eating lunch. You have to change it into past continuous tense. So I was eating lunch. You have changed only this word. We are playing football. We यानी plural है, so we will add here were. We were playing football. Now next. Third, Nana is doing a jigsaw puzzle. Nana was doing a jigsaw puzzle. They are sleeping. They were sleeping. The children are swimming. The children were swimming. They are solving maths problem. They were solving maths problem. This is a picture of a street taken last evening. Fill in the blank to show what was happening at that time. Some people were sitting at the bus stop. Now some people, actually ये हमें were और was ही लगाना है यहाँ पे. Reason, this is the picture you are showing, we are getting to show it is of last evening. मतलब ये past में हो रहा था, right? So we have to answer as per that. Some people were sitting at the bus stop. यहाँ पे तभी बैठे हुए थे, right? Two women were walking on the street. Now two women यानी plural है, so were. The woman was talking to each other. A barber was working at his shop. Barber क्या कर रहा था? Was working at his shop. A vendor was cycling on the street. The vendor was selling newspaper. Choose the correct answer from the bracket and fill in the blanks. Ranjan dash was frying fried pakoras in the Kitchen when the bell rang. So Ranjan was frying pakoras in the kitchen when the bell rang. They got ready for the meeting when it got cancelled. We were climbing the stairs when the lights went off. Baman was locking the door when the courier came. It was late at night. The passengers were sleeping when the train met with an accident. Did you understood, kids? Now let's perfect it. Match the sentences to the tenses of the verb used in them. So we are learning grammar. ये क्या है? Present continuous है. We learnt grammar. It is a simple past tense. We will learn grammar. It is a simple future tense. And we learn grammar is simple present tense. We were learning grammar यानी हम पढ़ाई कर रहे थे. So it is a past continuous tense. Now turn the page. On the next page it is B. Fill in the blank with the past continuous tense of the verb given in the bracket. One has been done for you. आपको यहाँ पे verb दिया है in the bracket at the end of the sentence. You have to make that verb into past continuous tense. यानी आपको was were आगे लगाना है as per the thing is plural or singular and इसको आपको ing लगाना है. The water was flowing out of the tank. Joy was baking a cake when we gave him a surprise. Rizwan was arranging the books this morning. They were playing in the park when it started raining. He was going to the market. We were watching the match when the storm broke out. I was hiding in my cupboard when I heard a loud cry. Ritu was swimming in the river when she saw a snake on the bank. Now next is composition. You are a reporter for your school magazine. Complete the report about an incident that happened when all you were preparing for the school fete. School fete or report. School fete was held on 12th August. All of us worked hard to make it a super evening. We decided to color. We decorated the school. Our class painted red. 2 days before the fete, my friend Rana was painting stall. He was on a ladder while I was helping him with the paintbrush. Both of us were busy when another classmate walked under the ladder and got hurt his shoulder. Rana nearly fell off, but I saved him. After all, friends help each other. Our parents were invited in school fete. Principal visited the stalls. Program went on for many hours. We enjoyed ourselves at the fete. Now, with this, our chapter tenses is completed. I will send you notebook exercise in the next video or in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, take care. Goodbye.